If you like what you see, please subscribe and like James's channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll be notified of future train videos.
Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the Paragon 3 EMD F7 and AB set from Broadway Limited. They have these available at brick and mortar hobby shops, online retailers, and the like, so we'll get into the box, see what you get starting now. One thing that you'll probably see right off the bat on the box is this little label that says accepts GoPack. Now GoPack is a Broadway Limited capacitor. Basically adds a little bit of power to the locomotive, I believe. So pretty cool thing there. So anyway, you can add that GoPack to these locomotives. It says they accept GoPack, so you can read more about GoPack on Broadway-limited.com. Alright, inside that larger box is two smaller boxes. We'll get those open. This is a Santa Fe war bonnet scheme. HO scale, of course. I say that because there will be some in-scale products reviewed from Broadway Limited. It's the easiest way to get it out is just let it fall on your hand. Inside the box, I'll spare you the unboxing of the B unit. 28 page or 27 page operation manual as well, so that's pretty cool. You can see all the details. 28 functions loaded out on these things, so I'll just do that off screen and get reset for a quick 360. Alright, so the B unit in this case is unpowered. It's just being dragged along by the A unit, which is powered and pretty heavy. Santa Fe on the side here. You've got a separately applied horn up top. So get to the nose, LED lit Mars light and number boards and headlight. Got a coupler up here, spring loaded, and separately applied grabs on the nose, going all the way up and down the side there. And separately applied grabs up top, separately applied windshield wipers, metal those are metal, and along with the grates that are on the side, those are metal. Those are sticking together pretty good. Sometimes they bend a little bit with temperature fluctuations. These have been in the same temperature for a good while now. B unit has sprung diaphragms, several fans on the top, little portholes on the side, along with the A unit has those as well. Really nice truck detail, stands out, and silver tipped end accessory hoses on both these units as well. Lift lugs above the diaphragms, and lift rings are on the body of the locomotive and the B unit locomotive as well. No cab figures installed, but you do have a cab interior. A little hard to see from this view, but you'll have to take my word for it. Alright, this one's going to be a quick product review, so I want to go over just how this starts up. You've got a long startup sequence, or you can just move the locomotive and it'll start up, as you see there. So we're on track. See the oscillating light there and the headlight, bell. Horn. Cab light's lit if you're stationary. Once it moves, the cab light goes off. A little bit of brake squeal there as well. 28 functions on this decoder. We don't have time to cover many, but there is your basics. You got the compressor noise. Five seems to rev up a little bit. Eight is mute. valve there on 9. So lots of different functions available on this decoder. Check slow speed control. It's 1 speed step. Moving along pretty well, very smoothly. Two and 3. Check reverse. One, 2, and 3. Go ahead and pull up the AccuTrack speedometer. Now what this will do is tell you at what scale speed it's going. At 1 speed step on out of 128 on this MRC Advanced Squared Elite. So probably a little hard to see, but it's 2.3 on 1 speed step, so a little quick. All right, we're gonna do a pull test here. I saw it peak at 2.8, so almost 45 cars. There's the B unit attached. You can see that. Fairly close coupling there between the A and the B unit. Again, B unit is unpowered. So with that said, you know, a consist of 30 to 40 cars is probably going to be good on this with it having to pull the B unit. Seems really a little low, but it's a very short locomotive. I don't know if I'm having some track issues because this is new Easy Track or not. Let's go ahead and check the weight. I'll try to put that in view for you. It's 16.4 ounces. So that's 466 grams, or 1 pound, 0.4 ounce. So pretty hefty locomotive in terms of the weight, just for the A unit. B unit, in case you're wondering, is 12.5 ounces, or 354 grams. So overall, you'd have almost 2 pounds between the two. Well, that was just a quick little product demo of these locomotives. So you have pretty good operation, a little quick, they can be adjusted. And MRA compliance was good with coupler height and wheel sets, which I did off screen. Speed a little quick, and pulling power can pull about 40 to 45 cars. So not too bad there. Or maybe it was at, 40 to 45 cars. So with the B unit trialing, I would do a little less than that, or expect a little less than that, but I could be a little off with the Easy Track, I don't know. But that's a quick product demo, a little bit of testing on this unit, and we will leave you with no run by because we don't have any space to do it. But we'll see you next time right here on the channel. Take care.